Hello, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Hello, can
Yes,
everyone
sir.
hear
Good
me?
evening.
Okay. Okay, let us start. Last day I had completed indefinite integral and I had started with definite. Okay, let's start. Can everyone see my screen? Tell me. I had given some homework questions. Let us discuss. Okay, so these were the homework questions. Okay, I'm going to write down the answers. You people match. If you have any doubt, let me know. Okay. Okay, first one. First one is integral of x square plus 4. I mean dx by x square plus 4 to root over 4x square plus 1. Over here, the answer is given as minus 1 by 4 root 15. Minus 1 by 4 root 15 into ln of mod of 2 root over y. Sorry, 2y minus root 15 upon 2y plus root 15 plus c, where y is equal to, where y is equal to root over 4 plus 1 by x square. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt in the first one? Tell me. I hope everyone has got this.
Sir, I think after substituting, the minus sign will get cancelled, I think.
Means there will be no minus sign over here.
I have not substituted the value of y, means I have not got the answer in terms of y, sir. I've directly substituted it and I've not got the minus sign. So I'm just asking that after substitution, will that minus sign be still there or it won't be there?
Oh, means after substituting this,
Yes, yes, yes.
after simplifying, you can reciprocate, then minus sign will be gone. That you
Yes.
can do. Okay. If you reciprocate everything which is there inside ln, it will be gone. Next, second one, 1 by x plus 1 into root over x square plus 2x plus 2. Over here, the answer is given as, let me see, minus ln mod of y plus root over 1 plus y square plus c, where y is equal to, where x plus 1 is equal to 1 by y. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Part 2. Part 3. Part 3, over here, the answer is not given, but you have to use partial fraction. You have to break x square plus 3x plus 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Anyone has got this answer? Tell me, what answer you people got? Raise your hand. Tell me. Anyone who has got this answer by putting x plus 1 is equal to y and x plus 2 is equal to y? Anyone has got this
Yes,
answer?
I've got this answer.
Yes,
Yes, tell
sir.
me what answer you got. Socrates, tell me quickly.
Sir, I got minus ln in mod 1 by x plus 1 plus root over of 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus c.
Plus root over of 1 by x plus 1 whole square
Plus
plus
1
1 plus c
mod plus c.
and
Acha,
something else.
so you were talking about part 2 or part 3?
Part 3.
Acha,
Part
no,
2,
I
I
was
wrote it.
telling, no, this answer I've got for part 3. I was telling for part 3. My bad, sorry.
Okay. Part 3, anyone wants to say? Or if anyone wants me to solve, tell me. Part 3. I solve it.
Sir, minus ln by 2 root 2 or into ln root 2 t by minus 1 by root 2 plus root
Minus.
2
Acha, anyways, leave it, leave it.
t
But if anyone
minus.
has any doubt, let me know. Part 3. Next, number 2. This was easy only. You people must have got 8 by 3, I guess. 8 by 3. And this one is 1.
So can you solve
Anyone?
part one?
Sir,
I got
can
20
you
by 3. So can you
Huh?
sir,
solve
can
part
you
two?
show it using
Why?
Riemann sum?
Yes, yes, yes. Using Riemann sum, you have to solve it. Tell me,
Sir, can
So
you
should
can
show
you
it?
solve part one? Can you
Yes,
solve
sir.
part one?
Okay, wait, wait. Part 1, let me solve. Integral from 0 to 2, x square plus 2x. Everyone pay attention. Okay. So over here, a and b are given to us. Pay attention. Over here, a and b are given to us. Let us start. This is number 2, part 1. Okay. So over here, what is the value of a? A is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. So what is nh? Nh is equal to 2. Remember, up to this much, I hope it is clear to everyone. So what is integral from 0 to 2? X square plus 2x dx. Okay, first of all, let me write down the expression. Limit s tends to 0, n tends to infinity. It will be equal to h into h of 0, sorry, f of 0 plus f of 0 plus h, that is f of h, plus f of 2h, plus dot 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 dot, plus f of n minus 1 whole h. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me, those who couldn't solve, those who have a doubt in this one, tell me. Are you people getting this? Shashwato, Socrates, are you people getting? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to substitute. Okay, so what do we get? So basically there are two series. Okay, pay attention. This will be limit h tends to 0, n tends to infinity. F of 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, that is okay. No problem. So it will be 0 plus h square. Okay, I'm writing square separately. Okay, h square plus, okay, h square plus 2h. This will be the first term, plus 2h whole square plus 2 into 2h. So 4h plus dot 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 dot. It will go on like this. Okay, separating all these squares. See all these squares, h square plus 2h whole square plus 4h whole square. Okay, from here, we can take something common. We can take h square common. It will become sum of the squares of first and natural numbers. Are you people getting? Yes or no?
The
So
first
Yes,
limit,
sir.
minus one natural numbers, right?
n minus 1. N tends to infinity, h tends to 0. Okay? Wait, I'll write it down once. You will understand. H square plus, okay, this is h into h square plus 4h square plus dot 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 plus n minus 1 whole h whole square. Tell me, are you getting everyone? Yes or no? This is the first term.
Yes, sir.
Plus 2h plus 4h. Over there, if I take 2h common, we'll get sum of first n natural numbers, I guess. 1 plus 2 plus n
Sir,
minus
again
1.
n minus one. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Plus dot 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 plus 2 into n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into h plus n minus 1. Tell me. Okay, let us simplify. Okay, this will give us how much? Limit. Okay, s tends to 0, n tends to infinity. Okay, what do we get? H multiplied by. Okay, taking the sum of the squares will be equal to h square into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 divided by 6 plus 2h into n minus 1 by 2. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Now, wherever it is required, I mean, wherever possible, we just replace nh. Okay, putting nh is equal to 2 everywhere. Okay, pay attention. This will become limit h tends to 0, n tends to infinity. Okay, over here, I'm going to substitute nh is equal to 2. Okay, a minute.
Sir, can I say something?
Wait a minute, wait. Okay, h into, within brackets, nh is equal to 2 will get 2 into 1 h will remain h into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 by 6. Over here, nh is equal to 2. So these two and these two will get cancelled. You are going to get 2 into n minus 1. Yes, what could you tell me? What were you seeing?
Sir, see in the first term, there are three terms with n, and there are exactly three h. So
Hmm.
what I can do is you can multiply one h in each of the terms. So it will be nh into nh minus h into 2nh minus h. We can
Yes, yes,
replace nh with 2, and after applying limit, h will become 0.
yes, wait. Okay, I'm putting one by one. Okay, pay attention. Okay, so again, see nh minus h. So this will become limit h tends to 0, n tends to infinity. Okay, h multiplied by this nh minus h. So this time 2 times 3. Okay, what do we get? We'll get nh minus h. Nh will become 2. So 2 minus h into 2n minus 1 by 3. Okay, plus 2 into n minus 1. Wait a minute, I'm not making a mistake, right? Plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay. Okay, let us multiply by h. What do we get? 2h minus h square. Wait, not 1. 2 minus h, 2nh. So that will become 4. 4 minus h upon 3 plus 2 into n minus 1. Okay. Plus 2 into nh minus h. Okay. So when h tends to 0, this will become 2 into 4 by 3 plus 2 into 2, 4. So I'm
So
getting 8 by 3 plus 4,
that is
which
20
will
by
give
3, sir.
us
This is the
20
answer
by
that we
3.
have got. But you wrote 8 by 3.
I wrote 8 by 3. Okay. So the answer will be 20 by 3 only. Okay, by
Yes,
mistake
sir.
I might have written.
Yes, sir.
20 by 3 will be the correct answer. Okay, by mistake I
Sir,
might
can I
have
scroll
written.
down?
Yes, tell me. Okay, Shashwat, tell me. You have any doubt?
No,
Second
sir. I
class
was
two
just
subpart two.
Wait, wait, wait. Ah, yes, Shashwat, tell me.
no, sir. I was just watching the answer.
Okay. Yes, Abhigyan, what were you saying?
Second class two subpart two.
To sub part 2. Okay. Part 2. Over here, a is equal to 0. We need to find out between 0 to pi by 2, right? Integral is sine x. A equal to 0, b equal to 2. Okay. Sorry, b equal to pi by 2. Okay, what have we got? I'm writing the integral directly. Integral will be equal to limit s tends to 0 and tends to infinity. Okay. nh will be equal to pi by 2. Okay, remember. So it will be h into f of 0. F of 0 is equal to sine 0, so 0 plus sine h plus sine 2h. Okay, plus dot 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 plus sine n minus 1 whole h. Okay. Now we can do remember how to simplify this series? Must have done it in Trigo, where the angles are in AP. Do you remember? Tell me.
No, no, sir. That's
Sine,
why I can't solve this out.
I've forgotten actually.
I
Okay,
think
how
so.
many of you remember? Sine n beta by 2 divided by sine beta by 2, right?
Sir, I
Total how
Yes,
many
remember
sir.
terms?
Sir, I remember the pi minus two by minus one minus two like that one. That like that series.
So it will be sine nh by 2 divided by sine h by 2, right? Sine nh by 2 divided by sine h by 2 into sine of first angle plus last angle. So n minus 1 whole h by 2. Tell me, are you getting? Okay, this
Yes,
will
sir.
become. So this is a standard form, right? Tell me, what is this? Sine h by 2 divided by h. What will it give us?
Sir, half.
Half. Half in the denominator. So 2 will be multiplied. 2 multiplied by sine nh by 2. What is nh? Nh is equal to pi by 2, right?
Pi by two.
What is sine pi by 4?
Sir, 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2 multiplied by sine of n minus 1 whole h. So that is nh minus h. nh minus h by 2. Okay, nh is equal to pi by 2. Right. So this will become root 2 into sine of pi by 2 minus h by 2. Pi by 2. So this will become pi by 4 minus h by 2. Okay. Pi by 4 minus h by 2. And where does h tends to? 0, right? So again, we are getting sine pi by 4. What is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So root 2 into 1 by root 2 will give us 1. Tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Remember trigo series, this kind of question do come in exam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, number 3. Number 3, I think everyone has got 31. Tell me.
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
having any doubt, you can ask me now. Number 3. Okay, this came this year only. Means. And the last one, did you people get? Wait a minute, pi by 3 minus ln 2 minus root 3. What is it? 2 minus root 3 or what did you people get?
Sir, I got a negative of this thing.
Negative of this thing.
Yes, sir, the negatives.
Oh, achha. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. ln 2 minus root 3 minus pi by 3. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt in the homework questions? Tell me, Avigyan, you have any doubt? Avigyan, Oipsha, Abhinandan. Oipsha, you didn't send me your homework? What happened?
Sir, I sent my homework.
You have sent it? Wait,
Yes,
let me
sir.
see. Oh, you have sent it just half an hour ago.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, anyone having any doubt? Shreyasi, Shrita, anyone having any doubt in the homework questions? Okay, then I think we can continue. Nobody has a doubt. Okay, so last day I had discussed what is Riemann sum. Okay, how can we find out the area? Okay, using limits, using Riemann sum. Let us continue. Okay, note it down, everyone. Area becomes negative. Area becomes negative below x-axis. Okay, area under the curve becomes negative below x-axis. Okay, as y coordinate becomes negative. As y coordinate becomes negative. Okay. So the height of the strip. So the height of the strip becomes negative. Right. If the height of the strip becomes negative. Okay. See, this part is negative. If the height of the strip becomes negative, okay, the whole area will become negative. Height of the strip becomes negative. Becomes negative. Below x-axis. Okay. Next, like for example, you see. Okay, I'll take some examples. So somebody tell me, what is in? You have to raise your hand. Okay, what is the integral from 0 to pi by 2? Achha, this one we have just done it. Okay, sin x. This will be equal to minus cos x. We have to substitute from 0 to pi by 2. We'll get 1. Okay, part 2. So somebody tell me this one. What is integral of 0 to pi by 2? Sorry, not 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Cos x. Tell me. Raise your hand. What is integral from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x? Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Sir, -2.
-2. Okay, next. Number 3. Somebody tell me what is the integral from 0 to 2 pi cos x. Raise your hand. Yes, Octo, tell me.
0.
0. Okay, everyone. Now let us draw their curves. Okay, drawing the curve of 1, 2, and 3. Drawing the curve of 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So part 1, you see, I have to draw sin x between 0 to pi by 2. So between 0 to pi by 2, I shade the region. Okay. So this is 0. This is pi by 2. Okay. And this is the region. See, the whole region is above the x-axis. The whole region is above the x-axis. And if you see, the area of half of such figure is 1 unit. The area of half of such figure is 1 unit. Okay, over here, this area is 1. Over here, this area is 1. So what is this area? This
Sir,
area
2.
is also 1. No. I mean, this half region is
Okay, sir.
also
Okay,
1,
sir.
right? Okay. Similarly, area of each such figure will be 1 unit. Are people getting? Next. Now over here, b minus a, 0, I mean, pi by 2 minus 0. Over here, b minus a is greater than 0. Okay. And you see, the height is also greater than 0. Okay. As we are moving from 0 to pi by 2. As we are moving from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. That is why the area becomes positive. Okay. Sin x is positive between 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Sin x is positive from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Number 2. Let us draw the curve of cos x from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay, everyone. So from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, how will cos x looks like? Cos pi by 2 is 0. And okay, let me draw the curve. Okay, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So this is the graph of cos x. Right, everyone. And this is pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. Are you people able to see? The whole curve is below the x-axis. The whole curve is below the x-axis. So see, the whole area is negative. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Next, part 3. Let us draw the curve cos x from 0 to 2 pi. So cos x from 0 to 2 pi. This is 0. Okay, cos x from 0 to 2 pi. How will it look like? Pay attention. So this is cos x from 0 to 2 pi. 0, this is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. Are you people able to see two such figures? Okay, two such figures are above the x-axis. Right, tell me, everyone. Two such figures are above the x-axis. And area below the x-axis is also 2 units. Okay, so see, From these three graphs, we can conclude. Okay, from these three graphs, we can conclude. Okay, write it down. Thus, we can conclude. Thus, we can conclude that definite integration gives us the net area. Gives us the net area. Okay, next. Another thing, everyone pay attention. Okay. If integral of a to b f of x dx is equal to 0, okay, where f of x is continuous, then we can say, then there exists at least one root of f of x in a comma b. Like one of the example is just right above your head. You see, between 0 to 2 pi, or you can say pi to 3 pi by pi to 2 pi. You see, integral of cos x is 0. Okay, so we are getting at least one root between pi to 2 pi. Same thing is happening between 0 to 2 pi also. Between 0 to 2 pi, the area is equal to 0. Okay, that means there should be some negative area below the x-axis. There should be some negative area below the x-axis to compensate the area above the x-axis. Are the people getting? Tell me, everyone. It's an important theorem.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, isn't it same as Rolle's theorem?
Similar to intermediate value theorem also, similar to bijection theorem also in
Sir,
quadratic.
if we take fx equal to capital F dash x, then integral fx is capital Fx, so we can see Rolle's theorem also from there. That means f equal capital F equal to capital Fb, then f dash x equal to 0 as one root.
Okay, tell me again. Tell me the expression. Integral of, f of x equal to f dash x, right? Tell me. Then what
Capital
did you
F
do?
dash x. Fx equal to capital F dash x. So then integral fx
Integral
dx
f of x. Yes, yes.
is fx plus c. So
Yes.
if we
F of
put
b minus
definition,
f of a. Yes. So f of a will be equal to f of b. So see, this is another way of proving Rolle's theorem. Next, for example, just now we have seen the previous example, we can only write integral of cos x from 0 to 2 pi. But what do you think, everyone? Is the converse true? Raise your hand, tell me. Will the converse of this theorem be true? Tell me. Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. Integral from 0 to 2 pi cos x dx will be equal to 0. Tell me. Will the converse of this theorem be true? No, but the converse is not true. But the converse of this theorem is not true. Okay, that is, if we get a root of the function between an interval, pay attention. Let us say between this interval, we are getting a root of this function, root of a function. Okay, but still, what do people think? Is the area 0 in this case? Tell me, we are getting a root between a and b. But will the area be equal to 0? Tell me, everyone. In this case, will the area be equal to 0?
No,
No,
sir.
right? So the converse is not true. Okay, next.
I have a separate doubt. That is, can we integrate a discontinuous function?
Yes, between interval, we'll break it down. Okay,
Like,
like we
break
can
it as
integrate. Yes, we can integrate fractional part of x between integral intervals. Okay, we'll do it in this chapter. We'll do it. Okay.
But sir, that does that not mean that it's basically integrating continuous functions only in its
yes.
domain?
Yes, in the domain only we are integrating.
Uh,
Objective approach. Okay, pay attention. How you can, go with some objective approach. Okay, in the exam. Pay attention, everyone. Suppose you are getting a curve. Okay, suppose you are getting a curve like this. Okay, and let us say that the interval is 2 units. Okay, height is 1 unit. Okay, so everyone over here, can I say, Acha, this I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, pay attention. I'm going to draw one triangle. Okay, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so over here, can I say that the area of curve is greater than the area of triangle, and it is less than the area of the rectangle? Okay, so let us say that this is f of x, this is a, this is b. Okay, okay. So everyone, from here we can say that integral from a to b f of x dx must be greater than 1 and must be less than 2. Area of the triangle is 1 units and area of the rectangle is equal to 2 units. Okay. So this is how you can eliminate some of the options. Okay, when the integral is given in some inequality or you are unable to solve the integral. Okay. Question number 1 for today. If 2a plus 3b plus 6c equal to 0, then the quadratic ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has, okay, this is multiple correct type. Okay, everyone. Option A, at least one root in 0, comma 1. Option B, at least one root. Okay, option C and option D. At least one root in minus 1, comma 1. At least one root in minus 1, comma 3. And option D is can't be determined. Okay, quickly solve. Option D is can't be determined. Okay, Abhinandan, check your answer again. Quickly solve, everyone. I'll give only 1 minute. Yes, Sujan, right answer. Okay, Adrija, check your answer again. Shahardo, right answer. Sakroit, check your answer again. Shinika, check your answer again. Okay, Oipsha, check your answer again. Rishabh, check your answer again. Rishabh, check your answer again. Okay, let me start. Everyone, pay attention. Okay, 2a plus 3b plus 6c equal to 0. So first of all, you integrate, everyone. Your task is to integrate this function, integral of ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 2ax. Wait a minute. Ax cube by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx. Okay, plus some constant. Okay, everyone, plus some constant. Or maybe forget about this constant currently. Okay,
Yeah, I have sent.
wait. When you take 6 as the LCM, you will get 2ax cube plus 3b x square plus 6cx. Okay, are you people able to see we are getting a familiar expression to 2a plus 3b plus 6c equal to 0? See, we are getting a familiar expression. So by putting what, we'll get 2a plus 3b plus 6c. Tell me, everyone.
Yeah, one.
1.
1. Okay. Shashwato, check your answer again. Shrita, check your answer again. Ritam, check your answer again. Okay, by putting 1, we'll get the expression. Okay, everyone. So what you do is to create 2a plus 3b plus 6c plus 6c. We take the limits. We take the limits from 0 to 1. Okay, what do we get? So we can say integral from 0 to 1, ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 2a plus 3b plus 6c divided by 6, which is equal to 0. So see, everyone, if integral from 0 to 1, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can say that there exists at least one root in 0, comma 1. Okay. So hence option A is correct. Next, everyone, if option A is correct, definitely option B is also correct. And henceforth, option C is also correct. Tell me, are you people getting? So all three options are correct. Tell me, are you people getting? Option A, B, and C.
Sir,
Next,
is C correct?
minus 1, comma 3,
Sir,
0,
from
comma 1
next
is a
time, if
0, comma 1 is a subset of minus 1, comma 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So note, everyone.
next time if the question is multi-option correct, can you add a star?
Sure. I'll write it multiple correct. Okay. But I told that it is multiple correct, right? In the beginning. Did I tell? In the beginning,
Yes,
I
sir.
have
Sir,
told.
I didn't know
Yes.
this.
Yes, I did tell that it is multiple correct type. Limit n tends to infinity, integral from a to b. Everyone pay attention. A to b. Fn x dx will be equal to integral from a to b. Limit n tends to infinity. Okay, since n and x are independent variables, either first of all you take the limit and then integrate, or integrate and then take the limit. Both are same. Since n and x are independent variables, as x and n are independent variables. Okay, everyone. Okay, question number 2. Quickly solve. Limit n tends to infinity. Integral from minus 1 to 1. 1 minus t by n whole to the power n dt. Quickly solve. Okay, Soham, check your answer again. Shahardo, check your answer again. Okay, Shashwat, check your answer again. Okay, let me start, everyone. Okay, so see, first of all, we take the limit or we find out the integral. Okay, best way over here, we have to take the limit first. Okay, so we'll get integral from -1 to 1. Limit n tends to infinity.
Sir, can you check?
1 minus t by n whole to the power n. Okay, dot dt. Wait, let me check. Where? Okay, Adija, check your answer again. Ujan, your answer is correct. Shahardo, right answer. And Ahir, check your answer again. Rishabh, right answer. Soham, right answer. So everyone pay attention. Over here, when you substitute n tends to infinity, as n tends to infinity, everyone, this becomes 1 to the power infinity form. So let us find out the limit for everyone. First of all, integral from -1 to 1, e to the power g into f minus 1, everyone. So n into 1 minus t by n into limit n tends to infinity. Okay, wait a minute. N into 1 minus t by n minus 1. Okay, dot dt. So everyone, this will become 1 will get cancelled, n will get cancelled. You will get e to the power minus t. So it is integral from -1 to 1 e to the power minus t dt. E to the power minus t is nothing but minus e to the power minus t. We need to substitute from 1 to -1. So this will give us e minus e to the power minus 1. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
Sir, I made a horrible mistake. I put n tends to like n equals to infinity in the t by n term, and I got e to the power 0, 1.
Okay, okay. E to the power 0? Couldn't understand. What did you
So
do?
like in the exponential term, I put n equals to infinity.
Oh, you have to cancel it, right? That is
Yes,
why
I
we use this
forgot
1
there
to the
was
power
another
infinity.
n. Yes, I forgot there was
Oh,
another n.
okay, everyone pay attention. So everyone, just like I had told you that integral from a to b f of x dx, this will be equal to integral from a to c minus. Okay, so Ritam, are you getting what we have to do if the function becomes discontinuous? Plus
Yes.
integral from c plus to b f of x dx. Okay, so if a function is discontinuous at c, okay, now why do we do this? I mean, why will this work every time? Pay attention. What is that area of thin line? Like area of that thin line at c equal to 0? Tell me, wherever that function is discontinuous at c equal to 0, tell me.
So 0.
0 only, right? Tell me. Are you people getting? What do we have to do in case of discontinuous function? Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Ujan, Sokrit, Adrito, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, are you people getting? Abhinandan, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. This is C. This is A. This is B. Okay.
So can you explain why you broke the limits between C?
Okay. Because at C it is not defined. Na? At C the function is not defined. Okay. So first of all, I'm finding out the area between in this region, and then I'm finding out the area in this region, and then I'm going to add them up. Okay.
So, so
At C it is discontinuous. Okay. Now over here, though, I mean, like it is looking like it is a continuous function. Okay. The problem starts arising when when f of c minus is not equal to f of c plus. Okay. In such cases, you cannot take the area continuously. Okay. So that is why you break the interval from a to c minus and then from c plus to b. Tell me, are you people getting Ronak, Rishabh,
Sir,
Rasheshwari? Yes, tell me, Ujan.
so what is the meaning of C minus or C plus as the upper or lower bound? I mean, when putting the value, How will we put? We will take the
Limit.
limit.
Of course, we'll take the left hand limit and we'll take the right hand limit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We'll do those kind of problems also. You'll see. Okay. Where the function is not defined, so you have to take the limit. Okay. We use this mostly. We use this mostly when f is discontinuous. When f is discontinuous at x equal to c. Okay, everyone. Next, number 2. Integral from a to b f of x dx is also equal to integral from a to b f of y dy. Okay, everyone. Why? Because x and y, these are all dummy variables. We'll get the same area as x is a dummy variable. Okay. While finding out the area, variable does not matter. Note, if f of x is defined, if f of x is defined on a or b, on a or b, or discontinuous at a or b, or discontinuous at a or b, or both. Okay. But defined on the open interval. But defined in the open interval.
So is it not defined in the first case?
Hmm?
Is it not defined or defined in the first
Defined,
case?
defined. Well, I mean to say that if it is defined or whether it is just discontinuous at A and B, A or B, still we can find out the area. Okay. But defined in the interval A comma B. Okay. Open interval A comma B. Area can still be calculated. Means whether it is defined on A or B, if it is not defined on A or B, it is discontinuous or A or B, in A or B, but still f of x is defined in the open interval A comma B, we can still find out the exact area. Okay. Because again, area of that thin line, area of that thin line at x equal to a is equal to 0. Are you getting me, Ujjwal? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Area can still be calculated. Area can still be calculated. Still be calculated. Calculated in the interval a comma b as the area of f of x, as the area of f of x at x equal to a or x equal to b is 0. Okay, like for example, let us talk about f of x equal to box of x. Okay, everyone, pay attention. F of x equal to box of x. So we know the, we know the graph of f of x equal to box of x from 0 to 3. From 0 to 3, the graph of f of x equal to box of x will look somewhat like this. From 0 to 1, it will look somewhat like this. From 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 3. If I calculate the area, okay, if I calculate the area, what is the area of this box? Tell me, everyone. What is the area?
1.
1. And what is the area of this box?
So
2,
two.
right? So what is the total area, everyone? What is the total area? Total area is equal to 3 in the interval 0 to 3. Okay. Now see how we can break the interval. So everyone, what do we get? Integral from. We have to break it from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3. Okay, how do we define it? Area is equal to integral from 0 to 1. Okay, between 0 to 1, what is the function f of x equal to? Tell me everyone.
0, 0
0,
dx.
right? 0 dot dx plus integral from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2, what is f of x?
Dx.
1, right? And from 2 to 3, 2 dx. Okay. So everyone, what do we get? This part is 0 plus this will become x. We have to integrate, we have to put the limit from 1 to 2 plus 2x. We have to put the limit from 2 to 3. Okay. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? So this will give us 1 plus 6 minus 4, that is 2, which is equal to 3. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. I hope this is clear to everyone. Next. Geometrical interpretation of definite integral. Okay, already we did this
Sir,
earlier. Yes, tell me. So,
could you one show the note?
okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Tell me, Rishabh, Shohardo, Shrita, is it
Can you
clear?
show on the
Samragni,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shinika, is it clear? Swapnil, Ankit, are people
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahir, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Agnimitra, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Geometrical interpretation. Okay. Of definite integral. Of definite integral. Okay. So let us say a curve is given to you. Okay, and you are supposed to find out the area. Okay. Okay, and you are supposed to find out the area of this curve. Now you already know that the definite integral will give us the net area. It will not give us the total area, it will give us the net area. Okay. Now let us say that this part, this region is A1, this region is A2, this region is A3, and this region is A4. Okay. So integral of A to B f of x dx is numerically with sign. Okay. Means if it is above the x-axis, it is positive. If it is below the x-axis, it is negative. Is equal to the area of these curved trapeziums. Area of these curved trapeziums means A1, A2, A3, A4. Curved trapeziums. Okay. Bounded by the curve. Bounded by the curve. The straight lines. The straight lines. X equal to A and x equal to B and the x-axis. Okay. Area above the x-axis. Area above x-axis is taken as positive. Is taken as positive. while below, while area below x-axis is negative. Is negative. So only for the calculation. So only for the calculation. Okay. To find out integral of f of x dx, calculation of area. Okay. Integral of f of x dx, or you can just find out the integral of f of x dx. Okay. From a to b will be equal to a1 minus a2 plus a3 minus a4. Okay, and so on. Okay. Like for example, integral from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 will be equal to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 sin x can be written as integral from pi by 2 to pi sin x plus integral from pi to 3 pi by 2 sin x dx. Okay, this will give us the actual area. Wait, let me see. Pi by 2 to minus minus. This will be minus. Okay, this will give us the actual area. Is it clear to everyone? So tell me, anyone having any doubt till now? I think we can continue. Okay, let us do some problems. Question number 2. Part 1. Integral from 0 to pi by 4. Sin x plus cos x divided by 3 plus sin 2x. Quickly solve. Dx. Part 2. Integral from 0 to pi by 4 cos 2x into root over of 4 minus sin 2x dx. Quickly solve. Part 3. Integral of part 3 I'm giving. Part 3. Integral from 0 to 2008 3x square minus 8028 x plus 2007 square plus 1 by 2008 dot dx. Quickly solve. Part 4. Integral from 2 to 4 root over x square minus 4 upon x to the power 4 dot dx. Okay, part 5. Integral from 0 to 1 sine inverse x upon root over 1 minus x square dot dx. Okay, keep on solving, everyone. Okay, everyone, keep on solving. I'm coming in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, let me see. Some people have sent the answer. Okay, I'll check one by one. Yes, Madhujo, first one is correct. Okay, I hear first one is correct. Abhinandan, first one is correct. Soham, first one is correct. Second one, I have got a different answer. Oh, you have sent the last one. Yes, last one is correct. Swam. Okay, Agnimitra, first one is correct. Second one is also correct. Ankit, second one, you are making some mistake. Aipsha, first one is correct. Second one is correct. And fifth one is correct. Swapnil, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Okay, Adito, first one is correct. Rishabh, check the second one. First one is correct. Shunika, first one is correct. Adrija, first one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one, actually, I've got a simplified answer. You have to simplify this. Yes. Shohardo, whatever you have sent is correct till now. Pratyay, uh, Pratyay, second one is correct. You have not sent the first one. Shashwato, check the first one. I've got a different answer. Second one is correct. Okay, Samragni, whatever you have sent is correct till now. Next. Wait a minute. Ritam, I've got a different answer for the first one. Second one, check. Check the second one. Third one is correct. Okay, Ujan, I've got a different answer for the first one. Of course, the area will be positive. You see, 0 to pi by 4, everything is positive. Ujan, for the second one, I've got. Wait a minute. For second one, I've got a different answer. Third one also, check it again. Fifth one is correct. Fourth and third one is correct. And fifth
Sir, I
one is
have
correct.
mismatched the orders. Means third
Yes,
one is actually the part which I marked 3 is actually 4.
the part which you mark 3 is 4. C. The one which you mark 3, okay, that one, the problem is not correct. I've got a different answer. The one which you marked 3. And the actual 3 also, actual 3 is correct. Okay,
And part 5
is correct. Sokrit, whatever you have sent till now is correct. Means all your answers are correct. Ahir part 3 is correct. Shinika check part 2. Avinandan check part 3. Others are correct. Yes, Soham, your answer is correct. Agnimitra, check 4. And 5 is correct. Okay, Pratyay, your answers are correct. Okay, let me start with the first one. Everyone pay attention. Integral from the... Wait, I'm starting with the first one at least. Okay, everyone pay attention. Number 1. Integral from 0. This kind of integral, we have done it, everyone. Okay. You just understand what is the differential in the numerator. Whose differential is present. So what you do is, you take y is equal to sine minus cos. Wait a minute. So what is dy? dy is equal to cos x plus sin x. Okay.
Dot
Dot dA.
dx.
Okay. So this will become integral of dy upon 3 plus sine 2x. So sine 2x will become, if you take y square is equal to 1 minus sine 2x. So what is sine 2x? Sine 2x is equal to 1 minus y square. So this will become 4 minus y square. Okay. So this will become ln mod of 2 plus y upon 2 minus y. 1 by 2 ln mod of 2 plus y upon 2 minus y. Tell me, are you people getting? Oh, wait a minute. Y plus 2 upon y minus 2. Okay, now back substitute. Okay, after back substituting, we'll get half of ln mod of y. What will be taken for y? Sine minus cos. So sine minus cos plus 2 upon sine minus cos minus 2. Okay. So now you substitute. We have to substitute from 0 to pi by 4. Okay. So when you substitute pi by 4, what do we get? Half ln mod of... Wait a minute, I'm making a mistake. The sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 will get cancelled. I'm getting 2 by minus 2.
Sir, that should be 2 plus y and 2 minus y.
2 plus y and 2 minus y. Wait, let me see. Wait, let me see. dy by 4 minus y square, right? So if I take minus common, it will become integral of dy by y square minus 4, y plus 2 into y minus 2. So this minus 1 by 2 ln mod of y minus 2 by y plus 2. Right. So where am I making a mistake?
Sir, why will there be a minus sign? We can write it as y minus 2 plus y plus 2. And then doesn't get a negative value here.
Oh, wait, this will be 1 by 4.
Yes, sir, 1 by 4.
This is y by 4. Tell me, Ritam, what were you saying?
Like here, we can write it as I had done differently. So,
Wait. 1 by 4 also? Why are we not getting the answer? 2y minus 2. Okay, let us change the limit. As x tends to 0, y will tend to minus 1. And as x tends to pi by 4, y will tend to 0. Okay, so I'm not back substituting this time. Okay, directly calculating. 1 by 4 mod of y plus 2 upon y minus 2. Okay, we have to substitute from minus 1 to 0. Okay, so this will give us how much? Half ln mod of, so ln 1, that is 0 only, minus of 1 by 4. Wait a minute. 1 by 4 ln mod of minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 upon minus 3. So that is 3 only. Okay, so this will give us ln 3 by 4. Tell me, you people got ln 3 by 4 only, right? Okay. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next. Part 2. Part 2 is integral from 0 to pi by 4 cos 2x into root over 4 minus sin 2x. So let us start. Okay. Over here, of course, we have to take y is equal to 4 minus sin 2x. Okay. dy will be equal to minus 2 cos 2x. Okay. That is there over there. Okay. Now let us change the limit. As x tends to 0, sin 2x, I mean, y will tend to 4. And as x tends to pi by 2, y will tend to, sorry, pi by 4, y will tend to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So you'll get integral from 4 to 3. Cos 2x dx will become minus dy by 2 into root over y. Tell me, are you people getting? So this will become minus half outside, y to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, we have to substitute from 4 to 3. Okay, let us see, this will become minus half. Acha, we can cancel out these 2 and 2. So minus 1 by 3 outside within brackets. 3 to the power 3 by 2 minus 4 to the power 3 by 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. 3 to the power 3 by 2 will become root 3 root 3. So finally, we are getting 8 minus 3 root 3 by 3. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, part 3. Okay, part 3 is integral from 0 to 2008, 3x square minus 8028x plus 2007 square plus 1 by 2008. Okay, let us start. So part 3. Okay, let us integrate. This will become 3x cube by 3. That will become x cube minus 8028 x square by 2 plus 2007 square into x plus x by 2008. Okay, we have to substitute from 0 to 2008. Wait a minute. Okay, seems like it will become a perfect cube. Let's see. This will become 2008 cube. Okay, this will become 4014 minus 4014 into x square, that is 2008 square plus 2007 square into 2008 plus 2008 by 2008, that will become 1. Okay, from here if I take 2008 common, what do we get? We'll get 2008 square minus 4014. 4014 is 2007. 2 into 2007 into 2008 plus 2007 square. Oh, so it becomes a perfect square, everyone. Are you people able to understand? See, this will become 2008 into 1 square plus 1, which is 2009. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Part 3. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next, quickly solve part 4 and part 5. Okay, till then I'm checking the others. Okay, Agrimitra, this is the answer of which question? Oh, yes, it is correct.
Sir, I have mentioned the numbers.
Yes, I told you it is correct. Okay, so Shinika, have you understood part 2? Tell me. Samragni, check part 5.
Yes, sir.
Oipsha, your answer is correct. Part 4. Shashwato, part 3 is correct. Shahardo, part 3 is correct. Rishabh? Yes, Rishabh, your answers are correct. Okay, Adrito. Adrito, I hope you have understood part 2.
Yes, sir.
And Pratyay, wait a minute. Swapnil, your answers are correct. Ankit, your answer is correct. Adrija, your answer is correct. Your answers are correct. Okay, next. Ahir. Ahir, check part 4. Part 5 is correct. Yes. Abhinandan, part 5 is correct. Shamrakni, check part 5.
Part 4 is incorrect.
Yes, I've got a different answer. Rhythm, your answers are correct. Pratyay, your answer is correct. Okay, I think you are making a typing error. Madhurjo. Achha, wait a minute. Part 5 is correct. You have to check part 4, Ahir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, part 4 I'm solving. It is root over x square minus 4 upon x to the power 4 dot dx. We have to substitute from 2 to 4. Okay, let us start. Okay. So over here, let us substitute. Wait a minute. Over here, let us first of all divide by x to the power 4. Oh, wait a minute. Let us divide by x. It would be better. We'll get integral from 2 to 4. Root over 1 minus 4 by x square. Yes, divided by x cube dot dx. Now, whatever is under the root, you take it as y. Y is equal to 1 minus 4 by x square. Okay. Now you differentiate. Okay. dy will be equal to minus 8 by x cube. Okay. So basically, dx by x cube will become dy by 8. So this will be equal to, and let us see what will happen with the limits. So as x tends to 2, where does y tends to? Y tends to 0. And as x tends to 4, where does y tends to? Y tends to 1 minus 4 by 16. So that is 3 by 4. So we'll get the integral as, okay, this implies we'll get the integral as from 0 to 3 by 4, root over 4 by minus x, root over 1 minus 4 by x square will become root y into dy by 8. 1 by 8 will be outside. Y to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. We have to substitute from 0 to 3 by 4. After this substitution, you people can do it. 2 times 4. This will become 3 by 4 whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, divided by, which is at 12. Okay, 4 to the power 3 by 2 will become how much? 8. So this will become 3 root 3 divided by 8 into 12. Okay, 8 times 4. This will become root 3 by 32. Okay, tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, last one, let me solve. What was the last one?
Sir, for
Integral.
this question, for question number 4, I had done trigonometric substitution.
For this one, sin inverse
Yes,
x
sir,
by root
4.
or yes, I'll
Sir,
also do the
question
same. Question number 4 or 5?
4, sir.
4.
I considered x equal to 2 sec theta.
But still, I think we should get the same answer,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
I missed 3 into, I got 3 into root 3 by 32.
Okay. I can see everyone. Sin inverse x by root over 1 minus x square. You take x equal to sin theta. Achha, pay attention. I have given this problem to make you understand one concept. This implies dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Right, everyone. Dx is equal to cos theta d theta. Okay. So as x tends to 0, you are going to get theta is 0 only. As x tends to 1, theta will be equal to pi by 2. Sine inverse x. So sine inverse sine theta will become theta. Okay. Into dx is equal to cos theta d theta divided by root over 1 minus x square is equal to cos theta only. Cos theta will get, and it will be positive. Root over 1 minus x square, that will become root over cos square theta. It will open with a positive sign only because between 0 to pi by 2, cos is positive. Are people getting? If it was something else, it would have become negative. So cos theta gets cancelled. You'll get theta square by 2. We have to substitute from 0 to pi by 2, which will become pi square by 8. Okay. Tell me, are you people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
So you could have directly did this.
Yes, sir.
Directly? How? Tell me.
If the derivative of sine inverse x is dx by root under 1 minus x
Hmm.
square, right?
Yes. So that is what I did. You have to
No,
take
like,
y equal to sine inverse x. This one.
Yes, sir. Both are the same.
Yes, but I did it like this to make you understand one concept. Pay attention. Okay, note. In the previous problem, in the previous question, you people see, in the previous question, okay, lower limit can be pi as well. Pi, 2 pi, isn't it? And so on. It can be anything. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Are you people getting? Lower limit can be anything, pi, 2 pi, and so on. But whenever you are doing substitution in definite integration, substitution has to be bijective. But substitution has to be bijective. Pay attention. What do I mean by this? And why the substitution has to be bijective? Pay attention. For example, if you talk about integral from -1 to 1 x square dx. Okay. So what is the integral, everyone? Tell me. What is the integral from -1 to 1 x square
The 2 by
dx?
3.
2 by 3. Right. Now over here, if I want to use substitution, okay, everyone, let u is equal to x square. Right. Let u is equal to x square. Then what is du? Du is equal to 2x dx. Right, everyone, tell me. Du is equal to 2x dx. And so over here, what do we get? We'll get integral from I will be equal to, wait a minute, du is equal to 2x dx. So as x tends to 1, we'll get u is equal to 1 only. And as x tends to -1, u is equal to 1. Are the people getting? So the whole integral will become, okay, the whole integral will become integral from 1 to 1. X square is u and dx is equal to du by 2x. So we can write it as du by 2 into root over x. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Du by u is equal to x square. X is equal to root over u. Okay. Du by root over u. Du is equal to 2x dx. Dx is equal to du by 2 root over u. Okay. So tell me what will be the integral over here? Tell me.
0.
0. Right. Which is absurd. Which is absurd. Why? Because over here the substitution is not bijective. Okay. Corresponding to x equal to 1, we have got two values of u. Okay. sorry, corresponding to two distinct values of x, we are getting only one value of u. Okay, you put x equal to half, you'll get u is equal to 1 by 4, and you put x equal to minus half, you'll get u is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so see, whenever you are using substitution, your substitution should be bijective. Okay, next question number question number 2, part 1. Question number 2 only. Okay, I1 is equal to, if I1 is equal to integral from e to e square dx by ln x, and I2 is equal to integral from 1 to 2 e to the power x by x dx, then find I1 by I2. Solve. Question number 3. Let an is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sine t whole to the power n sine 2 dt 2t dt. Then find the value of limit n tends to infinity summation of n equal to 1 summation of k equal to 1 to n ak by k. Quickly solve.
Sir, I think the numbering will be 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the last question was 2, right?
Yes, Swapnil, right answer. Yes, Agnimitra, your answer is correct. Okay, let me start.
Sir, I
So
have
first
So
one
I
sent
is
have
as
sent
well.
also.
I've also sent.
Sir, I have also
wait,
sent.
wait. Yes, Aditya, right answer. Ahir, right answer. Ritam, your answer is correct. Ajija, right answer. Swakrohit, right answer. Shohardev, right answer. Abhinandan, right answer. Ujjwal, right answer. Ankit, your answer is correct. Swakrohit, right answer. Aipsha, right answer. Shashwato, your answer is correct. Samragni, right answer. Shinika, right answer. Okay, let me start. Okay, what you do is you try to make the limit same. Over here, let us use some substitution so that we can make the limit same. Pay attention. I1 and I2 is given to us. So over here in I1, let us substitute. Let y is equal to ln x. Okay, everyone. So everyone, what is dx? I mean, dy is equal to 1 by x dx. Okay, let us back substitute. We'll get integral from as x tends to e, y tends to 1. As x tends to e square, y tends to 2. So dx will be equal to x dy, and x is equal to e to the power y. Okay, so this will become e to the power y dy divided by ln x is equal to y. Okay, which is equal to I2 only. So see, this implies I1 equal to I2. If I1 equal to I2, this implies I1 by I2 is equal to 1. Okay, next, number 4. Okay, let me solve number 4.
So sending you.
Send.
So just 30 seconds.
Quickly solve. Yes, Aditya, right answer. Shardu, right answer. Sokroit, right answer. Samrakni, check number 4. Yes, let me start. Okay, Ahir has sent. Let me see. Okay, Ahir, that is the final answer which you wrote.
Yes, sir, the circled one.
Circled one. There are 2, 3 circles I can see.
Yeah, sir, typing the answer.
Okay, type. Yes, Agnimitra, your answer is correct. Okay, Ahir, check your answer again. Pay attention, everyone. Let us start. Okay, so I've got you people can understand that the differential can be seen outside. Okay, differential can be seen outside the brackets. So you take y equal to, pay attention, number 4, an is equal to, okay, let y is equal to 1 minus sin t. So dy is equal to, this implies dy is equal to minus cos t dt. Okay, so what do we get? Again, so an will become, okay, so as t tends to 0, y tends to 1. Okay, we'll get 1. And as t tends to pi by 2, y tends to 0, 0. 1 minus sin t, that will become y to the power n. And sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. So it will become into 2. Sin t will become, okay, cos t dt is minus 1. So minus will be outside. So 2 into 1 minus y dy. Tell me, are you people getting? Next, this will become integral from minus, it will become plus, minus integral of 1 to 0 y to the power n 2 into y minus 1 dot dy. Okay, let us break it. This will become minus integral from 0 to 1. We can write it as 2y to the power n plus 1 minus 2y to the power n dot dy. Okay, so basically, if you can see, this will become 2y to the power n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2 divided by n plus 2 minus 2y to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We need to substitute from 0 to 1. Okay, tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay. So this will not be negative. Negative I have already multiplied. Okay. So now when you back substitute, this will become 2 by n plus 2 minus 2 by n plus 1. Tell me, are you people getting? This is what an is. I've got an. Now limit n tends to infinity. Summation of n equal to 1 or k equal to 1 to n ak by k. This is what we need to find out. This will be equal to limit n tends to infinity. Okay. Summation of 2 by k into k plus 1 minus 2 by k into k plus 2. Okay. We can use partial fraction. Okay. This will become limit n tends to infinity. Okay. Summation of k equal to 1 to n. Okay. 2 into 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. Okay. Minus limit n tends to infinity. Summation of k equal to 1 to n. Okay. Over here, the difference is 2. Okay. So it will become 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Now, everyone, this limit, when you substitute from k equal to 1 to n, it will go on up to infinity. So this is 2. 2 minus limit n tends to infinity. Let us substitute 1 minus 1 by 3 plus half minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 dot 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 dot. Okay. Over here you will see there is a pattern 1 by 3 will get cancelled. Next 1 by 3 then 1 by 4, and over here you will get 1 by 4. It will keep on getting cancelled.
Sir,
Yes, tell me. We'll get 2 minus 1 minus half, which is equal to half. Yes, tell me. Soham, what are you saying?
sir, in the step where you write the integrand a to the an, could you just go to that step? Uh, wouldn't that be 2n plus 1 minus 2 n by n plus 2?
Couldn't understand. What were you saying?
I meant, wouldn't that be 2n plus 2 by n plus 1 minus 2 by n plus 2?
No, actually, see, I've multiplied by minus. Okay. Over here, actually, this minus will not be there. When I multiplied by minus sign, it will become y minus 1. Na? Are you getting? I already took this minus inside.
Yes, I did same. But
Is
okay,
it clear? Soham.
yeah, sir. I'm
Okay.
checking then my working.
Okay. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Acha, so see, you must be wondering how to fix this. Okay. Means by substitution also we should get our answer. Okay. So how to fix this? Pay attention. Using bijective. Pay attention. So what we can do is we know that y equal to x square is bijective. Okay. For integral from minus 1 to 1 x square dx. Okay. We know that x square is bijective. Square is bijective in minus 1 to 0. Right, everyone. X square is bijective in this interval and in this interval. So I'll break the interval, everyone. Okay, and then use substitution. So we'll get I is equal to integral from minus 1 to 0 x square dx plus integral from 0 to 1 x square dx. Okay, now you use substitution. You'll get the result. So integral from x square to dx, 0 to minus 1. This will become integral from first of all 0 to 1 plus integral from 0 to 1 u into du by 2 root over u. Okay, this will become half outside integral of root over u du. Okay, which will give us u to the power 3 by 2 half u to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, we need to substitute from 0 to 1. Okay, which will give us 1 by 3. Okay, and the first term will become integral from -1 to 0. Okay, x square dx, that will become u du divided by -2 root over u du. Right, everyone, tell me. So this will become negative of -1 by 2 u to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. We need to substitute from 0 to -1. Okay. So when you substitute 0, it is 0 only. When you substitute -1 to the power 3 by 2.
Sir,
Wait. What, tell
can't
me?
we write u to the power 3 by 2 as root over u to the power 3? So in that case, we can't substitute -1, right?
Wait a minute. Root over u we cannot substitute. Wait. So directly let us find out the integral. So this is nothing but x cube by 3. We need to substitute from -1 to 0. So this will become 1 by 3. So are you people getting how to fix it? You just break the interval where the function is bijective, which is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, I'll give some more instances where you have to break the interval.
Sir, we can, if a function is even, so even after we substitute, will it substitution be even? Like for example, x
Uh,
square is even. In this case, will root over u also be even? We can say 0 to 1 and
Highest,
1 -1 to 0
whatever
will be
whatever you
even.
are getting on the right hand side, same thing you will get on the left hand side also. Okay. So whatever area you are getting from 0 to 1, same area you'll get from -1 to 0 also. So basically you could have just found out this area and multiplied by 2. Okay, this is one of the property of definite integral. If the graph of the function, if the graph of the function is positive in the given interval, is positive in the given interval, then area will also be positive. Then area will also be positive. If the graph is positive, area will also be positive. Right? For example, the one which we got, integral from 0 to pi by 4, cos 2x root over 4 minus sin 2x. This will help us in eliminating the options of everyone. If the graph is positive, area will also come out as positive only. Next. Question number 5, part 1. Integral of 0 to pi by, wait, how much it is? Pi by 16 sin x plus sin 2x plus plus sin 7x upon cos x plus cos 2x plus plus cos 7x dx. Quickly solve. Part 2. Limit n tends to infinity. Integral from 0 to 7 e to the power x upon
So the upper limit of the first question is pi by 16.
pi by 16. Quickly solve, everyone. Is Dr. the right answer? Yes, first one is done, everyone. Tell me.
Sending.
Send. Send quickly. I'll give 1 more minute. Should be done. Nothing is there in this problem. Yes, Ritam, right answer. And yes, Ujan, your answer is correct. Samragni, right answer. See, everyone, it is again sine and cos series. Yes, Aditya, right answer. You have got sine and cos of cos series, where the angles are in AP. Okay, let me start. Pay attention.
Sir, I've sent.
Wait. Shashwato, your answer is correct. Shinika, check your answer again. And yes, Ahir, your answer is correct. Ajija, check part 2. And Ankit, your answer is correct. Pay attention, everyone. So if you people remember sine n beta by 2 divided by sine beta by 2, right? Sine x plus sine 2x plus up to sine 7x. Okay, there are 7 terms, everyone. Okay, this will be equal to sine n beta by 2. So sine 7x by 2 divided by sine x by 2 multiplied by sine of first angle plus last angle by 2. That is sine 8x divided by 2. That will become sine 4x, everyone. So see, the whole thing will become integral from 0 to pi by 16 sine 7x by 2 divided by sine x by 2 into sine 4x. The whole thing is divided by same thing, cosine series, cos x, cos 7x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Into cos 4x. These two gets cancelled. We'll get tan 4x. This is integral from 0 to pi by 16 tan 4x. Now, what is the integral of tan? ln sec. Right, so this will become ln sec 4x. 4. We need to substitute from 0 to pi by 16. When you substitute pi by 16, everyone, we are getting sec pi by 4. Sec pi by 4, 2, right? Everyone? Sec pi by 4. This whole thing is divided by 4. Sec pi by 4 is root 2. So this will become ln root 2 by 4. Minus sec 0 is equal to ln 1. ln 1 is 0. So this is your answer. ln root 2 by 4. Further, you can simplify it as ln 2 by 8. Tell me, are people getting yes or no? Tell me, Rashashwari, Anvesha, Madhuryo, Ronak, are people getting yes or no? Shrita, are you getting?
Yes, sir. But sir, what formula have you used in the cosine series?
There is a formula in Trigo, right? Sine and
No, sir.
cosine
I
series.
remember that. Can you
Sir,
write that
that
for me?
will be sine 7x by 2 by sine
Yes,
x
sir.
by
That's
2
what I was
in
telling.
denominator.
Sine 7x by 2
Oh,
and 2
this
by
one,
sine
this one.
x by
Sorry,
2.
sorry, sorry, sorry.
Sure.
This one will be same. Same.
Sine
Sorry,
7x
sorry.
by 2 by sine x by 2.
By mistake, I wrote it. Sine x
Can
by
you
2.
show question number 2?
Okay, yes. By mistake. Tell me, Shunika, Trina, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Shreyasi, have you understood? Rishabh,
Yes.
is it clear? Rishabh, Soham.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shahardo, check the second one. Okay, let me see. Okay, after this, Samragi, check the second one. Shashwato, check the second one.
So is the second one the upper limit is 7 or 1?
I have written 7.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Yes, 7 only. 7 only. Yes, 7 is correct. 0 to 7. Okay, let me start with the second one. Pay attention.
Sir, I've sent
Lim-
you the answer long back.
oh, wait, let me see. Okay, Socrates. Okay, Socrates, check your answer again. Let me start.
So can you
Lim-
check mine?
wait. Okay, Agnimitra, your answer. No, check it again. Okay, let me start, everyone. Limit n tends to infinity. I've got integral from 0 to 7 e to the power x upon 1 plus x to the power n. Pay attention, everyone. Over here, we have denominator as x to the power n. Okay. And if you people remember, in limits, I have told you that x to the power n will behave differently from 0 to 1 and from 1 to infinity. Right. So let us start. This is number part 2. So pay attention. We know that we know that x to the power n will tend to 0 if x lies between 0 and 1, and x to the power n will tend to infinity if x is greater than 1 as n tends to infinity. Right, everyone? We know this. Okay. So I'll break this limit. Okay, can I write it as limit n tends to infinity? Okay. Or this will become integral from 0 to 1. Okay. E to the power x upon 1 plus between 0 to 1, x to the power n will become 0 dot dx plus integral from 1 to 7. Okay. E to the power x upon 1 plus x to the power n dot dx. Now everyone pay attention. This whole thing will become integral of e to the power x from 0 to 1 plus over here, everyone pay attention. We have got a finite upon infinite quantity. Right, tell me, everyone. We have a finite over infinite quantity. This will tend to 0. So finally, we are getting e minus. Oh, wait a minute. Those who have written e minus 1, they are correct. Okay, by mistake,
Yes,
I've
sir.
told you wrong. Yes, yes, e
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 is correct. E minus 1 is correct. Okay, over
Yes.
That's the
here, the
reason I
answer is
also
given wrong.
mentioned how I did it.
No, no. I have also done it in the same way. Over here, the answer is given wrong. Okay, can't help it. Okay, should be e minus 1. Those who have written e, okay, you can rectify. Okay, by mistake, I have told you wrong. Note, okay, integral from a to b. Integral from a to b f of x into derivative of g of x. Okay, this will be equal to integral from g inverse a to g inverse b f of x into g dash x dx. Okay, everyone? Because over here the limit is present. Over here we have the limit of the differential. Okay, whatever is the differential, their limit is present over here. Okay, so pay attention. For example, so I'll prove it. First of all, let us prove it, then I'll give you an example. For example, okay, what is d of g of x, everyone? D of g of x is equal to derivative of g of x divided by dx multiplied by dx. Okay, everyone? So basically, this is nothing but g dash x into dx. Okay. So if g of x is equal to a, what is x? X is equal to g inverse a. And if g of x is equal to b, then x is equal to g inverse b. Right? Tell me, everyone, are people getting? X equal to g inverse b. Okay. So what will be the integral? So the integral will become integral of f of x dx into d of g of x. Okay. A to b can be written as integral from f of x into g dash x. Sorry. F of x into g dash x dx. Okay. And then we have to substitute the limit as g of x equal to a, x equal to g inverse a. And as g of x equal to b, x equal to g inverse b. Tell me, are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Like for example, suppose you are given integral from -1 to 1 x square into derivative of ln x, differential of ln x. So over here, differential of ln x is present. Okay, so we can directly write it as integral from. Okay, so now let us start. So if x is equal to, if ln x is equal to 1, pay attention everyone, how to change this integral. If ln x is equal to 1, what is the value of x? X is equal to e, right? And if ln x is equal to -1, what is the value of x?
1 by e.
1 by e. Okay. So are people getting how the limits will change? So the whole integral will become integral from 1 by e to e. Okay. X square into derivative of ln x will become 1 by x dx. Okay. So see, this will become integral from 1 by e to e x dx. Okay. After that, you can simplify x square by 2. You have to substitute from 1 by e to e. Okay. Which will become e square by 2 minus 1 by 2 e square. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. Next. Okay, I'll show you one more case of bijective substitution. Pay attention, everyone. Part 2. Integral from 0 to pi 1 plus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay, this one is nothing but pi. Okay, but see everyone, if you take substitution, but if y is equal to tan x, you tell me everyone, between 0 to pi, is tan x bijective? Tell me.
No, sir.
Tan x is not bijective, right? Between 0 to pi, okay, wait. Okay, so pay attention. This is bijective, right?
Yes, it is bijective.
It is bijective.
But
Yes.
it's continuous at one point.
It is discontinuous, but it is bijective.
Yes, it is
Anyways,
cutting the graph once only.
exactly. dy is equal to sec square x dx. Okay, everyone pay attention.
So,
So what
but
do we
if
get?
it's closed interval, it is not bijective.
Wait, pay attention. So when we take, I mean over here, if we take, Acha, wait a minute, 0 to pi by 2, right? 0 to pi by 2, it is not bijective because if we take closed interval, it is not bijective. If you take open interval, then it is bijective. Okay.
Sir, I told that only.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So what will you pick? What will you get? You will get integral from 0 to 0 dy by 1 plus y square. We should get it as 0 only. Over here, the substitution is not continuous. Over here, the substitution is not continuous also. Right.
So from 0 to pi by 2 or pi?
Exactly. So your substitution has to be continuous as well. Are people getting? Your substitution should be continuous as well. So the final integral will become from 0 to pi by 2. I mean, you have to break it like this. Integral of 1 plus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x dx. Okay, you have to break it like this. 0 to pi, this will become integral from 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus tan square x. Okay, pi by 2 minus, okay, upon 1 plus tan square x dx plus same thing from pi by 2 plus 2 pi. Tell me, are people getting? If you want to do it with substitution, your substitution has to be continuous as well. From pi by 2 plus 2 pi.
Sir, is the numerator and denominator same?
Ah, yes, numerator and denominator is same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. Okay, let us do some more problems. Okay, question number question number 6, I guess. Question 6, part 1. Integral of dx upon 4 plus 5 sin x. Okay, from 0 to pi by 2. Part 2. Part 2. Okay, part 2, integral from alpha to beta dx upon root over x minus alpha into beta minus x. Okay, quickly solve. For beta greater than alpha. Okay, over here, for beta greater than alpha. Quickly solve. Okay, Shashwata right answer, Samragni right answer, Shahardo right answer. Okay, Abhigyan, are you solving? Not sent me a single answer.
Sir,
Abhigyan,
medicines.
me- Shashwata, you don't say.
Yes, yes, like.
Solve quickly. Yes, Adija right answer. Okay, let me start. Hello, Trina, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Not solving any problem.
Sir, I am.
Send your answers. Okay, Samragni. The second one is correct. And Shardu, second one is correct. Okay, let me start with the first one. Dx by 4 plus sin x. Okay. So do you remember indefinite integral, we have done this. We have to take substitution. That is y equal to 10x by 2. Let y equal to 10x by 2. Okay, what is dy? Dy is equal to 2 sec square x by 2 dx. Okay, everyone. So again, as y tends to 0, x will also tend to 0. So this will become integral from 0 to, and as y tends to pi by 2, as x tends to pi by 2, y tends to 1. So 0 to 1, this will become 2 sec square x by 2 dx divided by 4 plus 5 sin x. So 4 plus 5 into 2, 5 into 2 tan x by 2. So 2 tan x by 2 divided by sec square x by 2. Tell me, are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Now let us back substitute. This will become integral from 0 to 1. Numerator is 2 dy upon 4y square plus 10y plus 4. Okay. Denominator, we can divide by 2. I think it will become we can factorize this, I guess. 2 will get cancelled. It will become dy by 2y square plus 5y plus 2. So that will become 2y plus 1 into y plus 2. Okay. Okay. How to break this? Okay. So this will become integral from 0 to 1. Okay. Wait a minute. 2 common, y plus half. 2 common, sorry, 1 by 2 common, dy upon y plus half into y plus 2. Okay. So finally we are getting 1 by 2. What is the difference? Difference is 2 minus half, 3 by 2. So into 2 by 3, ln mod of y plus half by y plus 2. Tell me, are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. I think this will become, what is the difference? Difference is 2 minus of half, 3 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 by, okay. Acha, so we need to substitute from 1 to 0. Okay. So this will become 1 by 3 within brackets. ln of, when you substitute 1, this will become 3 by 2 divided by 3. So half. ln half minus ln 1 by 4. Okay. ln half minus ln 1 by 4 will become ln 2. So this is ln 2 by 3. Tell me, are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Yes, Abhinandan, your answer is correct. Everyone quickly solve part 2. Yes, Sahir, your answer is correct. Agnimitra, your answer is correct. Vaipsha, part 1 is correct. Yes, others also write your answers. Yes, Sokrit, are you there? Sokrit, Ujan, Swankit.
Yes, sir.
So
That's good.
partially there.
How, what? Sokrit,
Partially there, sir.
what happened?
Sir,
Okay,
feeling very
Sunika,
tired.
tired.
Sir, me as well.
So, anyways, let's see. You people had exams today.
Yes, sir. Computer practicals and
Well,
practicals means
practical.
everything.
Same,
Tomorrow I
sir.
have physics
Sir,
practical.
tomorrow physics practical.
Tomorrow fees practicals. Acha, after
And
this.
today computer practical exam was, sir.
When will the exam end?
Mine's ending on 10th.
10th. For DPS?
After that, it's theory exam is there.
Oof. Part 2, everyone. Pay attention. So, then after this, I'll do one last theorem. Okay. So everyone pay attention. Integral of dx by root over x minus alpha into x minus beta. Do you remember? There was a substitution. You people have to remember.
Yes, sir.
Let x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sine square theta. Right? Do you people remember? Because
Yes,
over
sir.
here the range is, domain is alpha comma beta. Open. Okay. So everyone, what is dx? Dx will be equal to, this is cos square theta 2 cos theta into minus sine theta. So alpha into sine 2 theta minus sine 2 theta plus beta into sine 2 theta, everyone. Okay. So when you take sine 2 theta common, you'll get beta minus alpha into sine 2 theta. Tell me, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us substitute. So as x tends to alpha, if x tends to alpha, alpha equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sine square theta. This is only possible when theta is equal to
0.
0, right? So you'll get integral from 0 to,
Pi by
and
2.
this one will become pi by 2. Okay. So dx is equal to beta minus alpha into sine 2 theta, or you can write 2 sine theta cos theta, divided by x minus alpha into x minus beta. Okay, root over, okay, x minus alpha. X minus alpha will become, actually, let's see. X minus alpha will become alpha into cos square theta minus 1. So minus alpha sine square theta, that is beta minus alpha into sine square theta. So this is beta minus alpha into sine square theta under the root beta minus alpha into sine square theta. And another one will become beta minus alpha into cos square theta. Okay. So now see, beta minus alpha will get cancelled, beta minus alpha will get cancelled. Okay, under root sine square theta, cos square theta will become sine theta, cos theta only. These two will get cancelled. You are getting just 2. So 2 into theta, you need to substitute from 0 to pi by 2. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Which will be equal to pi. Okay. So note it down, everyone. Integral of 0 to 1 ln x. Now see, everyone. Over here, as I mentioned, that 0 is not there in the domain. Right, everyone? Is 0 there in the domain? Tell me how to solve this
No, sir.
integral. So we have to write it as the integral from 0 to 0 plus to 1. Okay, everyone. As area of that strip, x equal to 0 strip, does not matter, as 0 is not in the domain. Right, Ujan, are you getting? How to
Yes, sir.
find out the integral not in the domain. Okay. So this will become, integral of ln x is x ln x minus 1 sorry, minus x. You have to substitute from 0 plus to 1. So when you substitute 1, this will become 1 is 0 minus 1. Minus 1 minus limit x tends to 0 plus x ln x minus x. Tell me, are you people getting? So limit x tends to 0 plus x is equal to, this is 0 only. And this is 0 into infinity form, x ln x. So we can change. This will become minus 1 minus limit x tends to 0 plus ln x by 1 by x. Now we can use L'Hopital rule, which is equal to minus 1 minus limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, ln x, that will become 1 by x divided by minus 1 by x square. Okay, finally this will become minus 1 minus limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, it will become minus x, which is equal to minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? How
Yes,
to
sir.
find out the integral? And you see area is coming as negative. Okay, you see, where does the graph of ln x lie from 0 to 1? Do people remember? The graph of ln x is completely below x-axis from 0 to 1. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So basically this area is 1. Tell me, Shashwato, are you getting? Shashwato, Ankit, Swapnil,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pratyay, Madhuryo, are you people
Yes, sir.
getting? Okay, next. Part 2. Integral from a to b. Okay, dy dx of f of x dx. This will be equal to f of x from a to b. If f is continuous, remember f should be continuous in a comma b. And if f is discontinuous at x equal to c, if f is discontinuous at x equal to c, okay, how do we break it? We'll break it like this. Then integral from a to b, f of x dx will be equal to integral from a to c minus f of x dx plus integral from c minus to, sorry, c plus to b f of x dx. Tell me, Abhigyan, Oipsha, Adrija, are people getting? Rasheshwari, Anvesha,
Yes.
Adrito,
Yes,
are
sir.
you there? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one last thing I'm going to discuss, and this is very important. If you see PYQs, you'll find at least 3-4 questions or more than that. And this kind of questions have come in advance also. Okay. If g of x is equal to, okay, one last thing I'm going to discuss is equal to f inverse x and f of a equal to c, f of b is equal to d. Then the value of, pay attention everyone, this is very important. Sakrohit, are you there?
Yes.
A to b f of x dx plus integral from c to d g of y dy. Okay, g is the inverse of x. Okay. See, many people, what they try to do is they try to integrate this one. Okay. But if you remember this formula, you can do it directly within seconds. BD minus AC. Pay attention. Let us see the proof. Okay. First of all, I'll prove it mathematically and then I'll show you with the help of the graph. Pay attention. Method 1. Over here, you put y equal to f of x. Put y equal to f of x. What do we get? Dy is equal to f dash x dx. Okay, everyone. So in integral of a to b f of x dx plus integral from c to d g of y dy. Okay, x and y are dummy variables, everyone. This integral of c to d gy dy, Okay, integral of c to d gy dy. What will it become? Okay, this will be equal to integral from a to b g of f of x. Right, everyone, tell me. G of f of x into f dash x dx. Right. dy will become f dash x dx. Right. And y was f of x. Tell me, are you people getting yes or no? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. As f of a equal to c and f of b is equal to d. Right. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. So this whole
Sir, can you
area,
explain this line again?
yes. Again, Ujan, pay attention. So Ujan, I have taken the substitution y equal to f of x. Right. So dy will be equal to f dash x dx. Right. Tell me, Ujan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Instead of y, can I substitute f of x? And instead of dy, I can substitute f of f dash x dx. Right. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And you know that f of a equal to c. Right. So as x equal to a, y will tend to c. Right. Sorry. As y tends to c, x will tend to a. And if y tends to d, x will tend to b. Right. Have you
Yes, sir.
understood how the limit changed?
Yes.
Tell me, Ritam, are you getting? Ritam, Adrija, Shrita, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Ahir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhinandan, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ankit, Sakrit, Samragni,
Yes,
Shavankit, are
sir.
you people
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Shahardev, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shinika, are you getting this? F of A equal to C and F of B is equal to D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will it become? Finally, the required area. The required area will be equal to integral from A to B, F of X dx, plus integral from A to B, G of f of x. What is G of f of x, everyone? If G is the inverse of f, what is G of f of x? Tell me.
Sir, X.
X.
X, so it will become x into f dash x dx. Okay. Are you people able to recall any integral, any standard integral?
Sir, X f of X.
X f of x. Absolutely correct, Abhinandan. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This will become x f of x from A to B. Now let us back substitute. This will become a f of a. Sorry, b f of b minus a f of a, which will be equal to bc minus ad. Oh, wait a minute. F of b is equal to d, bd minus ac. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Tell me,
No, sir.
Sakrit, is it clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
let us see the graph. Okay, graphical representation. Pay attention. Method 2. Okay. So in order to explain you graphically, okay, I'm going to take one function, okay, f of x. Okay, let us say that this is f of x. Okay, any function, this is f of x. You can think about logarithmic function also. And let us take another, function which is the inverse of this function, mirror image of y equal to f of x. So this is y equal to f of x, everyone. Okay, this is y equal to f of x. Remember, f of a equal to c and f of b is equal to d. So at x equal to a, it will give us c. Okay, this is c. And wait, let us take it a little bit over here. Okay, f of a equal to c and f of b is equal to d. . Right, everyone? Okay. Let me see from where to where I have to integrate. I have to integrate f of x from a to b. Okay. So what is the coordinates of this point? The coordinates of this point is a comma c, and the coordinates of this point is b comma d. Remember. Okay. Let us take their mirror images. Their mirror images. This will be c comma a. Okay. Let us say that this is c comma a. Okay. This point is c comma a, and this point is d comma b. Okay. Acha, what area we need? Acha, can you people understand? Okay, just tell me. Can you people understand that this area, this yellow area, this yellow area, this yellow area is congruent to this area? Right? Are you people able to visualize this? If you are unable to visualize, let me know. I'll explain. These two areas will be congruent to each other. Tell me, everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Although from my diagram, it is not looking like they are congruent, but you people can understand, right? That if this area is A, then this area is also A. Right? Ujan, Sokrit, Ritam, are people getting? Aisha,
Yes, sir.
Ahir, are people
Yes, sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what area we require? We require this area plus the area of F inverse from A to B. Right? These two area we require, right? Isn't it? Right, Sokrit, are you getting? These two area
Yes, sir.
we require. Okay. Means this yellow area we require and we require this green area. Are you people able to see two rectangles? Tell me. Shoharde, are you getting? Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Anvesha,
Yes, sir.
Adrito, are you people getting? So basically, we need this region, yellow plus green. Okay. So how to find out this rectangle, everyone? How to find out this rectangle? Tell
Sir,
me.
that big rectangle minus small rectangle.
Correct. Absolutely correct, Shashwato. This bigger rectangle minus the smaller rectangle. What is the area of the bigger rectangle? The area of the bigger rectangle is BD,
BD.
and area of the smaller rectangle is
AC.
AC. Done. BD minus AC. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
No, sir.
It's a wonderful theorem. These questions have come in the past based on this theorem. Okay, let us do one last problem, okay? On this. One small problem on this one. Okay, try this out. One last problem. Question number 7, I guess. We did only 7 problems. Integral from 0 to 1, e to the power root over e to the power x dot dx plus 2 into integral from e to root over e, sorry, e to the power root over e, ln of ln x. Last problem, everyone, quickly solve. Okay, let me start. Pay attention. You already know that log and
Sir, I've
exponential.
sent you.
Sent it. Okay, let me see, Abhinandan. Yes, your answer is correct. Okay, let me start. Okay. We know that log and exponential are inverse of each other, right?
Yes, sir.
Log, exponential are inverses of each other. Okay. So maybe, okay, maybe over here I'm going to get the inverse. Okay. Let y is equal to e to the power root over e to the power x. Let's see whether we'll get it or not. So what do we get? ln y is equal to root over e to the power x. This implies 2 ln y. No, not 2 ln y. ln y whole square is equal to e to the power x. Okay, so I'm getting ln of ln y whole square is equal to x. Okay, so are you people getting that the right hand side is the inverse, isn't it? Tell me.
Sir.
So x is equal to 2 ln of. Right, Sakrohit, are you there? Sakrohit, Ujan,
Yes, sir.
Shahardo,
Yes, sir.
Abhigyan,
Yes, sir.
Adrija, are you people there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So they both are inverses of each other, and you will find that when you
Yes.
substitute when you substitute e to the power root over e over here, you will get 1. And I'm sure when you substitute e over here, you substitute e, you will get ln e is 1, ln 1 is 0, you'll get 0 over here. So your integral will be equal to, therefore, integral is equal to Vt minus AC. That is e to the power root over e minus 0 into e. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Shashwata, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Rikam, have you understood?
Sir, I got this answer, but I thought it was wrong.
Oh no, you should have sent it. Yes, Socrates, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Samragni, Shita, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All the best. Those who have physics practicals. Okay, remember. What topic you have in physics tomorrow? Is there any specific topic, or you will get some on the spot
It's a random question.
random questions?
Like in the like in theory exam you get.
Oh, like I got Newton's. There was a Newton's experiment, right? I forgotten Newton's formula finding the lens. I guess I mean focal length probably. Okay.
So focal length and UV graph.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Okay.
And there are electrical experiments as well.
Yes. Actually, people are being divided, right? Some people get electrical experiments, some people get
I
to
had
find
my
out the
physics
focus.
practical yesterday.
So you people can do some back calculation and get the readings right, probably. Right?
So we can also memorize the readings and put it there only.
Actually, yes,
Yes.
that was my plan.
Yes. Memorize it. Put in 15 minutes and come
Yes, sir.
outside.
Then our teacher will monitor and scold us. That's what
Acha.
happened yesterday.
Okay, anyways, all the best to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Sunday, we'll again continue.
Sir, how long will definite integration take?
Let's see. Oh, it will
Okay,
take a
sir.
little bit of time.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe by
Good
the
night.
end of this month. Yes, good night. Thank you and good night,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir. Good
Yes.
night, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.